Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on rearranging, deleting and adding widgets on Amazfit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the watch's crown to open the app menu. Open the Settings app. Scroll down Settings and tap Preferences. Select Widget from the Preferences. Tap on a widget to select it. You can now scroll up and down to move that widget to a new location in the list. When the widget is in your desired location, tap the tick. If you tap the plus icon at the bottom, you can find new widgets to add to your watch's home screen. Tap the plus to the right of the widget that you would like to add, and it will be added to your widgets. To delete a widget from your watch's home screen, tap the widget that you would like to delete, and then tap the trash icon. Your watch's widget screen has now been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.